Hi there. John here from Romania and welcome to final free part of my online course about making money online. Please before I start this part support me with a like to this video and subscribe to my channel so I can make more video just like this one. In affiliate marketing, if we want to do a professional business and this is the only way you are going to have the success that you want, we need some tools that help us. In the previous videos I showed to you other tool that help us, and this one that I am about to show you, it is very important to have. This tool help us automate the relationship with our client, so you do not need to stay every second on email and talk to your client. You do not need to stay on the phone with your clients. When the business it is big, you do not need people to do this. And this tool it is going to do all the work for you, so you can save a lot of money and a lot of your time. All the time you need to think about your money in your business. Even when you hire an expert, let's say you need to do the math very good to see how much money do you pay him and how much money that guy bring to your company. Let me show you this tool and talk about it. Customer service should be your number one priority. Stay close to your customers with the right software. This tool combines excellent live chat, ticketing, and automation that allow us to provide exceptional support to our customers. Build loyalty with every interaction. Reach your customers on the channels they use most, including email, voice calls, and social media. Complement the customer experience with a live chat that is native to our platform. The best thing is that it doesn't matter if the client sends an email, opens a ticket, or leaves a comment on a social network, because that message will reach a single platform where agents can receive it and give an immediate response. Andriana, Capterra. What if you had 15 extra hours every week? Resolve queries faster using a suite of powerful productivity tools that give agents a complete, shared view of every customer and interaction. Empower your agents with automation. Make your agents more productive by enabling automation rules right in the agent workspace. Automatically assign tickets to agents or departments, add tags, or set up unique rules to automate your workflow. The world's fastest chat widget. Provide instant service with LiveAgent's live chat support. Our chat widget is the fastest on the market. Discover how it can help you effectively convert website visitors into customers. Are you delivering the best possible customer experience? It costs 5 times more to acquire a customer than to retain an existing one. Use this tool to drive brand loyalty with every customer interaction. With this tool, it's easy. Happy customers are the best customers. This tool offers concierge migration services from most of the popular help desk solutions. If you do not believe me, let me show you what companies use this tool. Do you know what Huawei, BMW, Yamaha, O2 and Oxford University have in common? You guessed right, this tool. Forbes, Airbus Lido, NASCAR Lyrico, USC University of Southern California. You can learn more about this tool if you go to the description section and see all the tool that I recommend you, including this one. Follow me on Instagram, work_smartmethod. Subscribe to my channel and see where you can find the whole course. If you go and find my whole course, you will find the last part where I teach you how to find your customer without paying advertise or pay few dollars and have a great result. Here is the price of this final tool that I presented to you. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so I can alert you every day when I am creating new videos just like this one.